What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel.
Today we've got major news.
We're talking about Angel Reese being traded to the Atlanta Dream. The Chicago Sky posted this on X.
This basically confirms Angel Reese is heading to the Atlanta Dream. And honestly, this changes a lot. Yeah, this one right here? This could seriously shake up the entire WNBA landscape.
I'm not gonna lie, I love this fit. Atlanta just got tougher overnight.
Tougher, more physical, and honestly, more marketable too. Angel Reese brings energy you can't teach.
And Atlanta's been building something already, but this might be the move that pushes them into real contender territory.
Let's talk strategy. Why does Atlanta go after Reese?
Simple. Identity. This is what Angel Reese posted on X right after the trade. This shows she is ready for what's next. The Dream just added one of the best rebounders in the league. That instantly fixes second-chance scoring and interior presence.
And they've needed that. A player who does the dirty work, rebounds, defends, hustles every possession.
Plus, let's not ignore it. Angel Reese brings fans. She brings attention. That's huge for a growing franchise like Atlanta.
So how does she actually fit on the court?
She's a plug-and-play impact player. You don't need to redesign your offense. She creates value without needing the ball constantly.
Exactly. Offensive boards, putbacks, defense. She's doing all the little things that win games.
And if Atlanta already has scoring options, Reese becomes the glue that makes everything work.
Now let's flip it. What about the team that traded her?
They're taking a risk. You don't just replace someone like Angel Reese easily.
You're losing intensity, leadership, and honestly, a personality that helped grow the league.
So whatever they got in return, it better be worth it long term.
This trade says a lot about where the WNBA is right now.
Facts. Teams are getting aggressive. They're making bold moves instead of playing it safe.
And that's great for the league. More drama, more storylines, more eyes on the game.
Especially when it involves a star like Angel Reese. This isn't just basketball, it's culture.
All right, big question. Does this make Atlanta a contender?
I think it puts them right in the conversation. Not automatic favorites, but definitely dangerous.
Yeah, they just raised their ceiling. If the chemistry clicks, watch out.
And you already know, every time they play now, people are tuning in.
All right, we want to hear from you. Did the Atlanta Dream just win this trade?
Is Angel Reese the missing piece? Or is this being overhyped?
Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button.
And subscribe for more WNBA coverage and breaking news.